What is going on, my cycling friends? So I'm just going to quickly explain the series of videos that I'm going to do here. It's a 6-day tour we did from Nova Scotia and then toured PEI. It was for the Great Cycle Challenge Canada, which essentially is a charity that raises funds to put towards research and development for fighting cancer, childhood cancer essentially. It's a great cause. They've raised a ton of money. Up to this point, they've ridden all the riders across Canada together combined have ridden 20,179,047 kilometers in total. And the charity itself today has raised $39,125,144. And that's just 7 years of this charity being around. I didn't actively myself seek donations, but what I did was I supported the two other friends that I planned this trip together with, and I just supported their charity and fundraising for them, and then actively participated in the ride itself, supporting them and going for the ride, and it was amazing and a trip of a lifetime. Enjoy. where I smoked the railing. Damn, this is a sweet trail, eh?